In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all indicators in TradingView. If your chart has gotten crowded with moving averages, oscillators, and custom scripts, hiding them all at once is a quick way to clear the view and focus on pure price action. This does not delete anything. It simply turns off their visibility until you decide to show them again, so you can switch between a clean chart and your full setup whenever you need clarity. Start with your TradingView chart open. Look to the vertical toolbar on the left side of the screen. There you'll notice an eye icon, which controls visibility. Just to the right of that eye is a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the visibility menu connected to the eye icon. Think of this panel as a master switchboard for what you see on the chart, grouped by category. Inside the menu that appears, choose Hide Indicators. The moment you click it, TradingView hides every indicator on the chart, including overlays like moving averages and Bollinger Bands, as well as indicators that live in separate panes such as RSI or MACD. Your candles or bars remain, your time frame and symbols stay exactly the same, and any drawings you've added will still be visible unless you've hidden them elsewhere. You'll notice the chart looks instantly cleaner, which is perfect for screenshotting, recording, or making unbiased assessments without the noise of signals and lines. Because this action is visibility only, your indicator settings, alerts, and configurations remain intact behind the scenes. Performance can also feel snappier on heavy layouts since the platform is no longer rendering those studies while they're hidden. When you're reviewing a strategy, this is a great way to compare price structure and key levels without distraction, then bring your tools back for confirmation. A quick tip on context. Hiding indicators is different from toggling drawings or data series. The Hide Indicators option is scoped specifically to indicators, so price data, volume, and manually drawn objects are unaffected by this single click. If your chart still looks busy after hiding indicators, it's likely due to drawings or other layers, not indicators themselves. That's all it takes. With a single click on the arrow beside the eye icon and then Hide Indicators, you gain a clean slate for analysis without losing any of your work. Keep this shortcut in your toolkit for faster, clearer decision-making whenever markets get noisy.